Lesson number 3.5, Unbeatable Supermom. Dear students, first we are going to discuss the title. Yes, some of you may be aware of this name. Most of you. What is the name? Mary Kom, an Indian Olympic boxer. But before Mary Kom, the name of Mary Kom, these words are there. Which are the words? Unbeatable Supermom. What is the meaning of unbeatable? It means unstoppable, or you can say word. What is another meaning? Not able to be defeated in a contest. And we know that she is a boxer. And what is the meaning of super mom? Means an extremely capable mother. And then her name is there. Why such kind of you can say adjectives are used? We are going to discuss about this one when I am going to discuss this lesson in details. Now we are going to discuss warming up section. What is given there? What is the first point in warming up section? Discuss and find out the jobs which were done only by men in the past, but nowadays women too have started doing them. Now in the past, certain jobs were there, only males were recruited, men were recruited in such jobs. And nowadays, women are even doing such kind of jobs. Now here I am going to type some of them, just like what? Army. In the past, no women were recruited in army. Then second one is engineering field. No women were doing jobs in the field of engineering. And nowadays, so many women are engineers. Then even in the field of acting. Now you may have a question. Sir, आप बोल रहे हो कि acting पहले women were not doing that one. Then who are doing the roles of women? Only the men were doing that role. Then what is there? Another one is firefighting. But nowadays women are even recruited in firefighting department, and even in heavy industries, no women were recruited, but nowadays even women are recruited in such kind of industries also. So I mentioned some of there. You can identify more also. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है अभी? ऐसे जॉब जो पास्ट में सिर्फ men were recruited, and nowadays women are doing such jobs also. And names of what are the jobs, like in army, engineering field, acting field, firefighting, and heavy industries. Now we are going to discuss the next one, or the second point or second subtopic from warming up section. What is given there? Complete the following web of India's winning medals in Olympics. Now certain circles are given there, and at the middle, at the center, what is given there? Olympic medals. And here what is in the next one? This one, what is? Abhinav Bindra. And here what is given? Boxing. Now we have to complete this web. So you need to you can refer to the internet for this one. And now I am going to write some names over here to understand how India's winning medals in Olympics can be represented. Now we are going to discuss one by one. Please see this web. I completed this one. I typed all the names there. What is given the first one? Olympic. What is given there at the center? Olympic medal. First one is boxing. And the name is there, Mary Kom. She got the medal in 2012 Olympics, and that was the bronze medal. Deliberately, I wrote the medal as well as the type of medal as well as year over here. Boxing, Mary Kom. Then here second is wrestling, and name is there, Yogeshwar Dutt. He got that one in 2012, and that was the bronze medal. Then third one is given here, shooting, Abhinav Bindra. Name of Abhinav Bindra is there, and he got the gold medal in 2008. Then in shooting again, another name is there, R.S. Rathore. He got the silver medal in 2004. Then badminton, there is the name of P.V. Sindhu. In 2016, she got the silver medal. and the last name is mentioned here, that is shooting. What is that? Gagan Narang. He got in 2012. So dear students, all these are the names. Actually what is asked over here, the type of sport and the name, that is asked, but deliberately I have given some additional information over here, so it will be useful for you in future. थोड़ा additional information यहाँ पे दिया है और इस प्रकार से हमने ये complete किया है. So here we can understand, definitely we know that if the name is Mary Kom is there, this particular lesson is about Mary Kom and related to sports. Now we are going to see the next task, what is given in the warming up section. I am going to read this part now. The text is about, okay, let me use the pen here. What is that? What is there? The text is about a famous female boxer, Mary Kom, means this present text, who has brought laurels to our country by winning many national and international boxing championships. Make a list of famous men and women boxers across the world. You can take help of internet or your school library to get this information to complete the table. Now what is the given there? Mary Kom, we know that, gender female and from India, and boxer. We need to type some other names over here of the boxers from the boxers from the different countries. Second name I am going to Muhammad. What is there? Muhammad Ali, and male and associated with United States, means I'm going to type in short, that is USA. Third name is there. Third name is Mike Tyson. Everybody knows this name, Mike Tyson. Again male and again from USA. Next name is there, number 4. Number 4 is Lennox Lewis is another one, male, and he was from Britain. And the last name I am going to type over here, Shane Mosley, S-H-A-N-E, Shane Mosley, M-O-S-L-E-Y, and male and from USA. यहाँ पे मैंने नाम दिए हैं कुछ और. All these are the names of different boxers from the different countries across the world. You can find out, you can identify some more names of boxers. You can add some names of women over there also, and you can continue this list, and for that you can refer to internet. In this way, what we discussed in this warming up section, 3 parts we discussed related to Mary Kom and also related to Olympics. Now already we discussed warming up section, and now we are going to discuss this article, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Now I initially discuss first or explain what is the meaning of unbeatable supermom. Unbeatable means unstoppable, or you can say not able to be defeated in a contest. And the meaning of supermom is what? An extremely capable mother. Now let us start with, first of all, we are going to discuss the information which is given in this box about Mary Kom. This is the short information given about her. Please listen to me carefully, dear students. आप सब मुझे अच्छे तरीके से सुनिए, and जो भी underline कर रहा हूँ words वहाँ आपको समझ लेना है. Exactly, I'm going to underline the important words meanwhile. Now, let us start with Mary Kom. Mary Kom. Chungnejang Mary Kom, this is the name of Mary Kom, full name, was born on 24th November 1982, better known as Mary Kom, is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of 6 world champion. Her nicknamed Magnificent Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Summer Olympics, competing in the flyweight 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. Dear students, what is given? Short information about her. Her full name is given there, that is Chugnejung Mary Kom, and her date of birth is given there, that is 24th of November 1982. But dear students, I would like to tell you the most important thing over here. I searched on internet, but the date of birth of hers is given different there. You will need to check with that one also. And the date of birth given there is 1st of March 1983. What is given there? 1st of March 1983. Now there is a little bit confusion in the book that is given 24th November 1982, and on different websites it is mentioned 1st of March 1983. But let it be, we can find it out also, and you can check it with the appropriate or the proper sources also. Now, what is Mary Kom? She came from what? Kom tribe. Tribe, what is the meaning of tribe? जनजाति हम जिसे कहते हैं, in Manipur. Manipur is a small state of India, and she is a what? 5-time world amateur boxing champion. She stood world boxing champion 5 times, and she got even the medal in each one of 6 world champion. What is her nickname? Magnificent. What is the meaning of magnificent? Magnificent, the word is here. I am going to highlight. Magnificent means wonderful. What is the meaning of magnificent? That is wonderful, admirable, you can say, excellent or great Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer who qualified for the summer 2012 Summer Olympics, and she participated in flyweight category. What is the meaning of flyweight? Flyweight is a category, the weight ranges from 48 to 51 kg, and that is called the flyweight. And that is a boxer. Flyweight is what? A boxer who is in the lightest weight group, that is called flyweight. And even Mary Kom won the bronze medal in that Olympics. Dear students, in this way we discussed about Mary Kom. You can collect more information about Mary Kom even. Now we are going to discuss the article here. Actually, in this article, her interview is given also. First, what is given? Before the text of the interview, we are going to discuss. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Kom, the conqueror and comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the category, in the 51 kilogram or kg flyweight category of boxing. Dear students, first paragraph में what is the credit of Mary Kom that is given, and what is that we need if we are going to consider India. We are you can say not that much good at different sports. स्पोर्ट्स की अगर बात की जाए तो इंडिया बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स में अभी भी पीछे है. In what sense? If we are going to compare the medals we got in Olympics and other nations, that is the difference is far one. The difference is the big one. And what is given here? In this article, in this first paragraph, what is given? अगर इंडिया में हमें सर्वाइव करना इन स्पोर्ट्स कैटेगरी, what is important? We need to have one story, and the story is given of Mary Kom. Yes, most of the students know who is Mary Kom, and here we are going to discuss about her. Two words are given there. Look, two words. One, I'm going to even highlight them. First is conqueror, and second one is what? Comrade. What is the meaning of conqueror in English? That is winner. That is winner. Actually, what is done here? Mary Kom, K-O-M, com is taken, com plus conqueror, C-O-N-Q-U-E-R-O-R, that is conqueror. Okay, and they made the word from this conqueror. What is the word? That is conqueror, Q-U-E-R-O-R. Now here you can understand how success is associated with Mary Kom. Mary Kom का success जो है, we can understand as she is famed. She is famous for what? She got 5 times. What is given there? 5 times world boxing champion, and she became the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. And what is the creditable thing over here? That is, she became the first Indian woman boxer who qualified in 2012 Olympics. Moreover, and what is additional to that? She won what? A bronze medal for India. In which weight? That is flyweight, 51 kg. And that is why if we want to really survive, then we need to know the story of Mary Kom, how she struggled and how she became the world champion even. Now let us discuss about some questions are given here students. आपको इस question समझ लेने हैं. क्या है questions? देखिए, what was Mary Kom's what is that exceptional achievement that is given here? 5 times world boxing champion, and as well as what is that? Only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. This is the answer of the first question. Second, what has added to her greatness as a boxing champion? Yes, she became the first one, and even she won the bronze medal for India in the Olympics in 2012 Olympics. This is the greatness of her. And what is, how did the parents make a living? We are going to discuss the answer of this question in the next paragraph. Now I am moving to the next paragraph. Hope students you are getting. Please try to understand this lesson properly. And inspirational article, we have to learn something from the character of Mary Kom and how she struggled to become the boxer. Now what is there? Next paragraph. Kom was born in, what should be here? In, what is that? Kangthai village. So I am going to type that word. Actually some mistakes can be there. Here should be in. What is that? Kom was born in Kangthai village, Moirang. What is this? Moirang Lamkhai in Churachandpur. What is that? Churachandpur, a district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in Jhum. What is that? Jhum. These are nothing but what? This is a kind of farming, but shifting cultivation. I'll explain this one. Just let me finish this paragraph first. Reading of this paragraph. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially, and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. Now, background of Mary Kom is given here. What is given? A background of Mary Kom. Background of Mary Kom is given. What is the background given? That is her place. What is her place? That is Kangthai village. So she is from the rural India. You can say even Kangthai village, and there is Moirang Lamkhai in Churachandpur district. And where is it? It is rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents names are given here: Mangte Chonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. Who were they? They were the tenant farmers. They were the farmers. And who worked in what? Jhum field. What is the Jhum field? That is some kind of shifting cultivation. What is shifting cultivation actually? At one place they are going to do some kind of farming for some years, and after that again for good or fertile land they are going to search and they are going to cultivate there. That is called what? Zoom or shifting cultivation. And the most important part is given here. She grew up in humble surroundings. What is the meaning of humble? Simple and poor conditions. Yes. She used to help her parents related to what? Farm related course. What is the meaning of course over here? It means task. What is the meaning of course? It means task. I am going to type here so you can understand the meaning of that. What is CHORES? Course means task. Course means task. And then even she was going to school and learning athletics. This is very important part. Students, what learning athletics? What is the meaning of athletics? Actually, this is the general name of for a group of games like what? Running, jumping and throwing. ये जो ऐसे games है ये athletics में आते हैं. And later she started what? Practicing boxing also simultaneously at the same time. And what is given there? Her father was a keen wrestler. Her father was a keen means what? Passionate or enthusiastic wrestler in his younger age. Now there is some kind of background to her. Definitely she was poor, right? But humble surroundings helped her to do so many things like athletics as well as boxing. Now next paragraph we are going to discuss. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with the gold medal. Gold medal had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Now, what motivated Mary Kom for boxing? Definitely she was interested in athletics since her childhood. But there is one name is given there, that is Dinko Singh. This name is very important. And the person is from what? Manipur, an Indian boxer, and he got a gold medal in 1998 Bangkok Asian Games. And she is accepting this one. Mary Kom is saying that yes, at the same time, just like other youngsters in Manipur were inspired by Dinko Singh in the same way, I was inspired by him. And again, I thought to do something in boxing, and she started that one. So she is talking about over here, she's what is given there? Her inspiration, Dinko Singh. Now what is the next paragraph is given there? Okay, this one. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. Now, in this paragraph, how she started her career. Students, आप अच्छे तरीके से समझ लीजिए यहाँ पे क्या दिया है. मेरी कॉम का करियर कब स्टार्ट हुआ? Yes, please read this one. In the year 2000, when she won her victory, when she won what in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. That is state level, and Manipur is the small state, and a regional championship in West Bengal. Look, first state level championship, and later on she became the champion of what? That is a regional championship in West Bengal. And later on in 2001 she started competing at international level. Already I told this one to you. She started international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold, and she is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sports women to look up to. Now, dear students, her struggle as well as her participation, her contribution, how she struggled for that. What is given here? Her achievements are given in this paragraph. Her debut, international debut. International debut means what? Performing at international level, that is debut. The meaning is given here, that is debut. The first public appearance or performance. And she, that is at the first AIBA, that is AIBA, that is actually Association Internationale de Boxe Amateur. This is the French name, and actually this is International Amateur Boxing Association. And she won what? Silver medal there. And this is admirable for her, and her greatness is reinforced, strengthened. She apologized. She said sorry to the whole nation that not being able to win the gold medal. And in this way, Mary Kom became the legend. Mary Kom became the legend for sure and an idol for all the sports women to look up to. And she's really an inspiration, motivation to all sports women. Till now we discussed general information, her credit, what is given in this part, and now we are going to discuss an interview of Mary Kom. Now you need to understand, dear students, so here in the first paragraph, how is she and what is her credit, that is given. In the second paragraph, her surrounding is given, her background, family background is given, and her interest was given there. Then her inspiration was given, and later on in this fourth paragraph, her career that started in 2000, then how she made her international debut at the first ever women's world boxing championship in United States. It is given, and she was just of 18 years when she made this international debut. Now the story of Mary Kom is really fantastic and motivational for everyone, and now we are going to discuss her interview. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Now this is what in detail. What is the meaning of exclusive that is given here? The word exclusive is here. Dear students, while explaining this particular article lesson, मैं आपको साथ साथ ही कुछ जो words है difficult है उनके meanings बोल रहा हूँ. I request you to write down the meanings of these words. Now, in your notebook, it can be you can maintain a notebook for that one, and it will be useful for you even. Exclusive means what? Complete, total interview with Sportskeeda. What is Sportskeeda? This is what Sportskeeda is, nothing but what? An all sports app within multinational audience and writers, and there is a correspondent or reporter of Sportskeeda. What is name? Taruka Srivastav. She interviewed Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom. Magnificent Mary Kom talked about her preparation, and she talked about her preparation for Olympics and her elation. Elation means what? Great joy at winning a medal. Now let us start with questions and answers. Two colors are given there. Questions are asked in this first one, a little bit pink color, and this is a light blue color, that is Mary answers of Mary Kom. Now the first question by interviewer means Taruka Srivastava. First things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? What is the meaning of sunk in? That is realize or accept. Now first thing first, what is the first thing? What is that first thing? First thing is what? She is only the Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. That is in boxing. And has this feeling, interviewer is asking, okay, do you feel that? Do you realize this one? Do you realize this one? And Mary Kom is saying what? I am really happy with my achievement. And yes, it is yet to sink in. Yet to realize. She is in that. I am just exhilarated. Exhilarated means what? What is the meaning of exhilarated? Happy. I am thrilled. The meaning is given here also. Very thrilled means very happy. I am very happy. Still, it is just like a dream getting that bronze medal even in Olympics. Dear students, this is really creditable. Mary Kom. If you are going to read in detail about Mary Kom, you can understand. And she won this one after marriage. If I am not wrong, she got married in 2005 and she won the medal in 2012, and that is why she is called what? Super mom. Yes, देखिए हमारे देश में ऐसे भी कुछ लोग हैं. That means what? They are passionate. Yes, they want to do something different, and she is one of them. Mary Kom. She is really an inspiration for everyone, including men as well as already she is what? She is an icon. Icon means what? She is a figure for and the sports women to look up to, for all sports women. What is the meaning of icon? Motivation. She is some kind of motivation, not only for sports women, also for men also. That is for her consistency. And the answer she gave of first question. The next question we are going to discuss. Now, next question is, interviewer, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Yes, this is really good question. As we read before, that she was only the lady, she qualified 2012 Summer Olympics. And that is why interviewer asked her, did you have any additional pressure? Yes, pressure is there because she is going to represent India. But what is her answer? Her confidence. And Mary Kom said, Mary Kom answered, no, not at all. There was no pressure. I was pretty confident. I was pretty sure. I was pretty certain about myself. I knew. This is called confidence, and this is very important. Next question by the interviewer. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Okay, this may be the situation, and her coach was not allowed to accompany to go with Mary Kom to the Olympics, and the name is given here, Charles Atkinson. And what is the question there? How did that affect your preparations? Was there any influence of this one? And what is the answer of Mary Kom? क्या answer था Mary Kom का? She said that, well, I did miss him. Yes, I missed him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. Yes, I missed him there, but already I did a lot of practice and I was well prepared. Now you can understand that the confidence level of Mary Kom here. Yes, this is very important. What failed to pressurize? Look over here, the question is asked. What is the question? What failed to pressurize Mary Kom during the Olympics? And that is what? That is nothing but the accompany of her coach Charles Atkinson. Now the next question we are going to discuss. Students आप अच्छे तरीके से समझ लीजिए, very important important part है ये, and this is related to interview of Mary Kom, and so many questions, or you can say some questions may be asked based on this particular lesson also. Now interviewer, during your preparation, what is that? During your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? What is the meaning of sparring over here? That is motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. This is just the training. Means different moves are practiced. And what is the question here? This is a little bit tricky question. Look, tricky in what sense? As she was practicing with what? Male boxers from India. What is the meaning of contingent? That is the group. Here is one word. This word is there. Contingent. This contingent. What is contingent? Means group. Contingent means group. And what is the meaning of spar with? That is motions of boxing, or that is a kind of training. And she was doing training with whom? Indian male boxers. And the question is, who was your favorite over there? And Mary Kom laughs and well. Now she is giving very diplomatic. She gave very diplomatic answer here. I trained hard in Pune, and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. Yes, I used to practice with them. To name a favorite would be unfair. Yes, this is very nice. This is very nice answer. She is not mentioning the name of anyone over here. It means what? She is not going to tell the name of any favorite over here. This is unfair. Yes, she practiced with them and it was a kind of help to her. And in this way, she answered very nicely to the question of interviewer. Yes, through all these questions, we are getting how she prepared for 2012 Olympics, and now how she is going to answering the questions after winning this medal for India. Now interviewer, next question I am going to read. Next question is, the question is the bigger one a little bit. Interviewer, you were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she was not very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Yes, in semi-final, she fought with Adams. The name is here. What is the name? Adams. Adams means what? This is the name of her opponent, Nicola Adams. I am going to type her name here so you can understand. Nicola Adams. And who is Nicola Adams? British professional boxer. And in semi-final, Mary Kom was against Nicola Adams. And she is saying that Adams was very clever counter puncher. But at the same time, she was not very tactical. Very tactical in what sense? What is the meaning of very tactical? The meaning is given here. Planned actions to gain victory. She did not plan. And even she is saying that, okay, you said that, okay, the judges were not pressing the buttons for me, even though I scored. Do you think that then this dodgy judgment, what is the meaning of dodgy? Dishonest, unjust or partial, this one. This is the dodgy, it is given here, look here, that is unjust, partial, or you can say dishonest. So is that the reason to loss in the semi-finals? And Mary Kom is answering this one. Yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Yes, she said that, okay, it's okay now, no problem. As some decisions were not, she is not saying that they were partial and like that. She said it were some of the decisions were unfortunate, not good at all. And that is why I was not benefited. Now let it be. So how in this way she answered. And the question is related to her semi-final against semi-final where? The semi-final in 2012 Olympics, Summer Olympics. And Nicola, it was against Nicola Adams. Now next question we are going to discuss. Hope students you are getting whatever I am explaining to you. Now, yes, at a time we can take 2 questions. Okay. What is the next question? Interviewer. India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are in a nation of 1 raised to 3. What is that? 1 raised to 3, that is a billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us win medals or that are proportionate with our population? Now the question is a little bit important and not tricky, we can say, but easily anyone can understand. What is the population of India? Yes, it is near about 135 crores plus minus. You can check that one on internet. And how many medals we get or we got till date in Olympics? Yes, we have to think about it also. This is very important question. If you want to know, till date, if I am not wrong, we got just 9 gold medals. And if you are going to compare in relation to the population of India, then it is a minor, you can say, number. And we have to win more medals. So what should we do? This is the question of the interviewer. And Mary Kom is saying, yes, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals. Yes, this is the first thing she is saying about this. What is the problem? What is the Indian mentality if we observe? Very less people are thinking about sports as a full-time career. And if people are going to do this one, if youngsters are going to select sports as a full-time career, then definitely we will get more gold medals, more corporates. Now she is expecting, Mary Kom कुछ expect कर रहे corporate sector से, जो business में लोग हैं. She is saying what? Corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. देखिए यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट जो है मेरी कॉम ने यहाँ पे पॉइंट आउट किए, जैसे कि फर्स्ट इज व्हाट मेनी पीपल शुड व्हाट they should select sports as a full-time career, right? Second is there are certain financial problems of the even the players also, and we should, if we want to avoid that one, then some companies or industries, they should come ahead and they should help or they should sponsor means what? They have to pay, they have to help them financially, so these players can just concentrate on what, or they can focus on their games. This is very, yes, and we have to think about it also. Even nowadays there are so many NGOs, there are so many even corporates, they are funding to some players also. Now the next question is what? Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Now see what is given there. Question is what? Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Now here we need to understand what is the condition of boxing as a sports in India. Here we need to understand, yes, you can take the example of cricket here. Cricket पता है हम सबको किस प्रकार से इंडिया में फेमस है, and Indian team is even good there. I'm not saying that other games are not good at all, but what we want to see the question. What is this question? Interest matters. Interest matters. And do you think this is the question for Mary Kom? Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? And what is the answer of Mary Kom? Yes, I'm sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year round. Yes, she is saying that it will become popular. Definitely, on one fine day it will become popular, and everyone will like this one. Now the next question. What is the next question? Question is interviewer. How aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Nutritional, what is the meaning of nutritional? Related to nutrition, पोषण जिसे हम कहते हैं. Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor, very important factor in your conditioning, becoming fit. Conditioning means what? Becoming fit for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Now, this is the basic question asked by the interviewer. Yes, we need to think about the nutritional requirements. Players, sports persons must think about it. What do you think about it? What do you think about this one? Is it a neglected area in Indian sports? Mary Com is saying to answering this question. And what is the answer? The awareness is growing now. It is increasing. People are getting, sports persons are getting aware of this one now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Yes, now most of the female athletes are getting aware of this one. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. Yes, we neglect it. We neglect this kind of, what is the most important part, that is nutrition for particular sport or sport persons. I had to gain 3 kilograms since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kilograms. So even she is telling her own experience. I had to fight in the 51, that is flyweight, and instead of usual 48 kg that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. What is the meaning of saturated fats? That is unhealthy fats. So balanced diet is important for sports person and very important for to maintain their fitness. And Mary Com even answered here how she gained 3 kilograms extra. But she is saying at the same time, even I thought of my proper nutrition, and she took what? Healthy food for that one. Now here some parts related to you can say nutrition of sports person are given over here, and it is very important for, and this is really good for the you can say those who would like to do career in this sector. Now what is the next question? Interviewer, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the beta? Now this role, it is very important. What if a big role of did OGQ? What is OGQ? OGQ is Olympic Gold Quest. What is Olympic Gold? Actually OGQ is a program of the Foundation for Promotion of Sports and Games. This is a non-profit company, and they help sport persons. And in this case, she was asked, means what? Mary Com was asked the question, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the beta? And Mary Com is saying, OGQ really played an important part in my success also. Yes, she is saying that they are really doing a good thing. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress-free. Stress-free. Yes, and this is the answer. And she is even telling how OGQ, this company, non-profit organization, is was supportive as well as what is supporting the sports person in India. Now the next question, interviewer, what is your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? What is your opinion about the future of Indian boxing? And she is answering now, about the future of Indian boxing. Mary Com, the future is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. Yes, she has a positive attitude and optimistic answer is given there. And what is that? The future of boxing is bright, and definitely so many boxers will bring medals for India. Now, interviewer, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all time? Now, this is a little bit different question. What is that? Related to her family, related to her children. As you are fighting, as if your children are going to see you, yes, boxing. What is your, what is, do you like or do you find it difficult to convince your own, to persuade your own children not to fight? Mary come, well, I have twins, and yes, she has what, twins, and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. Now here you can understand why she is called super mom, dear students. Yes, we are just reading about her success story, but actually she experienced that one. Now it is very motivating for us. Even we can do. बहुत सारे ऐसे girls होते हैं after marriage, they are not ready to continue with their passion. They have some kind of goal, but just because of background and so many things, they avoid doing this one. But by studying, by knowing the success story of Mary Kom, definitely this is inspirational for sports women. Not only sports women, or even all women. Now, next question, interviewer, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Now, what will be the future of your children? Do you want to make them boxers? And Mary Kom is saying, I have not really thought about it. आज तक सोचा ही नहीं इसके बारे में. As of now, just let their box. What is that? Mother box. Look over here. This is very typical answer, and that is why super mom. That is why she is called what? Super mom. No, I would like to be the mother of their right now. Not just like what, a trainer. And this is good for me, just being their mother right now. Now the next question is given there. And what is the next question? That is, interviewer is asking. Okay, interviewer,